Nest Egg provides many standard fields that are useful for small businesses. But if you want something custom for your own business, you can define additional fields. We refer to these as custom fields. You can choose from multiple field types and configurations to ensure proper data entry by team members. Let's add a few custom fields to see how this works. I have many medical devices for my clinic. I would like to keep track of where the devices are from, when they are placed in service, and how long they are expected to last so I know when to replace them. From the Add Item screen, I will scroll down to the Manage Fields link and click on it to open the Manage Fields screen. This is where I will add custom fields and modify or delete them. I will click on Add Field to add a country of origin field. Type in the name of the field. Enter a placeholder text to display to my team members so they know the kind of value that should be entered for this field. Select the field type. I will choose text. I won't require a value for this field, so I will leave Value Required unchecked. The value should be on a single line, so I will leave Value can have multiple lines unchecked as well. Click Save. Now I see the user field that I just added in the Manage Fields screen. Next, I will add an Expected Years of Service field. This time I will select the number field type. Turn on Value can be a decimal number since I want to be able to enter fractional years. Click Save. Lastly, I will add the Start of Service Date field. I want this to be a mandatory field, so I will turn on Value Required. Note that if you have existing items in your inventory, you would have to create this field as optional first, then fill in values for the existing items, before you can turn on Value Required. I am done adding all the fields that I needed, so I will click Done to exit this screen. I see the new fields that I just added in the Add Item screen. These fields are now available for all the items that I will add. For the medical devices in my inventory, I can go ahead and enter values for the new fields I just added. Notice that for the Expected Years of Service number field, I am not able to enter something other than a number or decimal point. Since this is a non-negative decimal number field, only numbers and decimal points are allowed. Now I can filter my medical devices based on where it originated from. I can also search for devices that have been in service for longer than it is expected to last, so I can be ready with replacement units before the units fail. There you have it, custom fields in Nest Egg for the unique needs of your business.